What's up, guys? Good morning. Happy Monday. Happy start to the new week and the new month. I know we're on early, super early today. Well, simple fact is, I got to get off early today, guys, because I have to head off over to the dentist. And then after the dentist, I'm trying to schedule a property I got to go check out. So today's a super crazy busy day. So I'm on a little bit earlier. I'm going to get off a little bit earlier. I'm sorry about that, but there's no way around it. I got to get to the dentist. Found a new place there I gotta go check out and go through the new patient process nonsense. So I gotta knock that out today. So we're gonna build the watch list together. No, I know we usually don't do that. I usually just give it all out to you at the later part of the morning when we email it out. Jonal is also traveling today, tomorrow, I think Wednesday, or maybe he's back on Wednesday. So I do have the watch list here to set up and send out. It's not going to be as fancy as when he sends it out because usually I just write it all up, all the technical analysis stuff, all the macro information, and I send it to him. And then he makes it into that really nice email you guys get with different scans and different sentiment scans and just all really nice put together. I typically know how to do that, but we're using a new software and I don't know how to use it. So this is going to be just straight up email, guys. It's going to be old school. It's going to have whatever specials might be going on, plus, the watch list. So we're going to do this together today, okay? Now, first things first, we're going to just jump straight away into the SPY, okay? We're going to jump straight away into the SPY. The SPY, we're looking at this 410 zone. Yesterday's live stream, I did a live stream yesterday, Sunday, with my weekly outlook. I talked about the SPY. If we gapped up and over 410, I was going to watch for 410 zone to become support for the move towards 415. I think we get to 415, possibly should be this week. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe later half of the week. But now we're underneath it. So what am I looking for, guys? I'm looking for a little pullback day. Very small pullback day. So we're watching the 410 area on the SPY for resistance. Okay. Let's start writing this down. Bear with me here. Why does this not want to work? Trying to write it down here so that I can email the watch list to you guys. Let me refresh the page. All right. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so SPY watching 410 area for possible resistance for a drop back into. I would say that we could watch for a drop back into right around here, this 408 to 407, very tight range, but you can tell clear as day, previous support zone on the SPY turned resistance. So I'd watch for that to 407.60, 407.50. So back into 407.60 area. So let's see. Today I expect a small inside day in the market, possibly a bit choppy with a small red consolidation day. Okay, so SPY watching the 410 area for resistance for a drop back up into 407.60s. If at any time 410 breaks and becomes support, watching for a possible move into 415 this week. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be watching for on the SPY, guys. Now, on to the next name we're going to look at. And today we'll be watching Tesla. Guys, you remember we went over what? This little mini cup and handle pattern. Look at how beautifully that worked out. Now we've broken to the upside over that 200 resistance. I'm watching 200 for support. If 200 can hold support, then I'm watching for a move towards 215. But this only works if 200 can hold support. Okay, so we're going to be watching that here on Tesla today, making sure to see if 200 can hold support. All right, so here we go. Let's write that up. Tesla. Watching the $200 area for support. If this zone can hold support, watching for a move into 210 area. If this zone can break, then watching for 215 to be tested this week, but only if 200 can hold support. All right, so that's what I'll be watching out of Tesla, guys. That'll be the next one on the watch list there. Then we have, let's go take a look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA, let's go ahead. I'd say this 280 zone, 285-ish area needs to be kept on watch. Why? Look at this previous resistance right here in that zone. And if we scroll back, what do we see? Support, support. Then you have resistance, 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 right? And if we scroll forward here, we're right back up into that zone. So I'd watch and see if that zone can get tested. And if so, if it can hold resistance for a drop on back down. So that's NVIDIA. So NVIDIA watching the 285 zone for resistance. If this can keep holding resistance, watching for a fade back on down towards this consolidation area here of probably the 260 area. Okay. 260. So we have the SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA. On watch so far. Guys, do me a quick solid. Help me out here. Hit that like button. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so we have that. Now let's go check out INDO. INDO with a big move here this morning. INDO in the pre-market. Now, one of the things that I do when I see this, right, is I need to go check if there's any news on this name. So we're going to go over to INDO. What is that? No news today that I see. The only news I see here recent is from 7 days ago. Indonesia Energy announces update on discovery wells drilled in 2002 and development plans for 2023. But this news is from 7 days ago, okay? But nonetheless, this is a nice, clean pre-market move that cannot be ignored. It did, however, move right into a resistance zone this morning, and we rejected that level. You see that rejection there, previous rejection here, previous rejection here. Okay, so that is something to keep an eye on. I'd watch probably like 575 support on this one. You can see here clear as day, it was previously a very nice and stable level of support. So you can keep an eye on that zone. So INDO watching the 575 area for possible support. Could have room into the 660 area. Resistance on the daily chart. All right, so watching that on INDO. So we got SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA, INDO on watch. Let's go take a look at everybody's favorite here, AMC. AMC testing $5. Has not been able to get up and over that level. I'd watch $5. If $5 can continue holding resistance, you could see drops further on down towards 550. So far, it's holding up pretty well. If $5 breaks, then I'd be watching for a move to 525 and then 540, 550 respectively. All right, so we have one, two, three, four names already on the list. Let's continue down the list here, see if we see anything else that might be worthy of our attention. ENSV. There's no volume really. Nah, I'll pass on that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add futures into this. ESF. Watching the, let's go ahead and switch over to an hourly chart. What time is it? 9:18, so it's still nice and early. Here is our daily chart. I'd say watching that 4120 zone for support. So ESF watching the 4120 area for support could have room into 4150 through 4177. However, if we break under 4120, if we break under 4120, I'd be watching for 4100 to be tested. That's what I would be watching there. All right, so we got plenty of names on the watch list right now to keep busy. Let's go take a quick look at some of the other news out there. Okay, so OPEC just made the Fed's job more complicated. OPEC cut production, I bet. Several OPEC members on Sunday announced intentions to voluntarily cut further combined 1.16 million barrels per day of production in a move independent from the broader bloc's output strategy. This reduction will challenge consumers' governments such as US, which are already tackling high inflation and volatility in the banking sector. Yep. A formal meeting of an OPEC plus technical committee takes place today, Monday, to review the group's existing strategy. It cannot change policy. I'm not even surprised. Okay, let me see what else we got out here. All right, U.S. stock markets will only be open 4 days this week. Oh, we closed on Friday? I did not realize that it's Good Friday. Oh man, what a short week for me then, even shorter. So U.S. stock markets will be open 4 days this week with exchange closed Good Friday. Heading into the frame, investors are looking for more momentum from stocks. There are three major indices. The three major indices finished the first quarter higher, led by tech-heavy Nasdaq, which is attempting to shake off last year's harsh losses. This week also brings a slew of data points for investors to chew over, including job openings and ADP private payrolls. On Friday, even though the market is closed, the government will release its hotly anticipated March jobs report. All right, let me put the market summary in the email. And then, guys, if you're not signed up for the free watch list, I'm about to send that out. If you're not signed up for the free watch list, here you go. There's where you can sign up, links in chat. Okay, so we have SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, INDO. We know our ESF levels. We got our market summary. There will be a 50% off deal in the email for the futures course that just we just pre-launched it this weekend with the pre-sale specials. Okay, so watch out for that. I'm gonna send this out to you guys right now. Okay, guys. So that's it right there. Give me 1 second. I got to give a call to Jonah real quick. And in a few minutes, we will be, you know, opening up the markets here. In the meanwhile, if you have any questions or any tickers you want me to look at, you want me to bring it up on the chart and do a quick analysis for you, drop it in chat. All right, guys, sorry. Since Jonah is out today and tomorrow, I'm fielding customer service emails. So I had somebody asking me about, that's why I had to call Jonah about the DTC curriculum and whether or not there was a coupon code for that and the futures course and all this stuff. And the reality is, let me bring it into frame here for you because you guys can actually take advantage today of an error on our site. It's not really an error. It's the fact that we have not been able to update it. And the only one that can do that right now is Jonah. And he's not going to be there today and tomorrow. Unless he does it tonight. He might update it tonight. So like the point is, if you want to take advantage of this, guys, you better do it right away because maybe tonight Jonah updates it or he updates it tomorrow or even Wednesday morning. No idea. The point is, you see this $5.99? That's a DTC course. It's the DTC curriculum. You get everything: beginner trading, intermediate, day trading 101, advanced, options, swing, shorting, all of that, right? Well, right now, if you buy that for $5.99, that's going to also include the futures trading course. Okay? The futures trading course, you'll have access to it on April 17th, maybe before. So you can take advantage of that like that if you want. Because, well, we just $5.99. Joel hasn't been able to update it, and he's traveling today and tomorrow. So unless he updates it tonight, that's what it is. So I was letting that person know that they could do that. If you want the futures trading course, it's today only. Today only. Listen up. 50% off the futures trading course plus 80% off your first month with your Lilu evaluation account. That's a special deal. I only have it. They currently have a bundle deal going on right now. 70% off, but the 80% off your first month on a $50,000 evaluation account or the $25,000 evaluation account is only available with me today only. And that's for anybody that purchased the futures trading course from DTC. All right. So I'll post a link here for you right now. This 50% off is good today only. And it includes 80% off your evaluation account. So what'll happen is you'll get the email confirmation after you check out. Okay, so what'll happen is you'll come here, right? You'll check out the eight chapters plus bonus material, which is how to pass your evaluation account plus more. You'll go ahead, you'll type in, well, you might not even have to type it in. Oh no, you do have to type it in. See, I already typed it in myself. You'll type in futures or copy and paste futures pre-sale, and it'll drop the price from $349 to $174.50. And you'll check out. And when you check out, you'll get the 80% off emailed to you later today for your evaluation account. All right, guys, it's 9:32. Bells rang. I'm going to be getting out of here in about 5 minutes because I have to head to the dentist appointment. That's at 10 o'clock. So I'm just letting you guys know. Unfortunately, that's my deal today. I'm not going to be around all morning like I usually am. But I do have to go get that taken care of. Oh, no, you didn't get to see any of what I typed up. Okay, so here, again. Here's the DTC curriculum, everything. Day trading 101, advanced options, swing, short selling, intermediate, right? All that good stuff. $5.99 today until Jonah updates it. This price is going to go up over $700. When Jonah updates this, it's going to be 700 or more. That'll include the futures trading course within it as part of the full DTC curriculum. But he has not been able to do that because he's traveling. That's why I'm fielding customer service. I'm doing watch list emails. I'm doing everything today. So what I'm telling you is if you go and you buy the DTC curriculum today, you're going to get, shit, man, you're basically getting the freaking futures course basically for free. So take advantage of it because I can't update it. Only he can, and he can't update it just yet. Or if you don't want the full curriculum, you just want the futures course, then the link's in chat. And this is what the chapters look like. What are futures contracts? When there are differences, things to know about futures contracts and trading them. Why trading futures is attractive. Futures trading and your P&L. Common mistakes made by new futures traders. What separates the winning trader and the losing trader. Advanced pattern recognition, advanced technical analysis and risk management. Then bonus material, how to pass your evaluation account. And then my evaluation story. Each one is divided into a bunch of different segments. And there are tests and quizzes after each chapter, making it so that by the end of this, you've probably gone through about 100 questions and answers. All right. So make sure to take advantage of that. Okay, perfect. The watch list, you should have received it already. This is great. You got it. We didn't skip a beat on that. Excellent. Oh, my chat is frozen. You guys might have been typing stuff and I don't even know. All right, bear with me here. Let me try to unfreeze this chat. Unbelievable, man. This is what happens when I have to turn into a one-man show. Look at this, guys. I'm so sorry. My chat was completely frozen. My God. Nathan, yes. Yes, Nathan, were you the one who emailed me a little while ago? I have access to the customer service email today because Jonal's not around. So if you emailed, yes, that's correct. If you buy the full curriculum today for $5.99, you will end up getting the futures course with it. Yeah, there you go. I emailed you back. That's why I was on the phone with him a little while ago. He gave me a coupon code that you can use. So if you choose to, you can get $50 off the curriculum, but you're not going to get access to the futures course if you use that coupon code. You'd have to pay the full $5.99. You'll get the full curriculum plus the futures course when we add it in a few more days. I think on the 17th, it'll be added onto that. Good morning, Adriana. For Benny, man, I'm so sorry. I never saw that because I didn't have, my chat was frozen, but I got you, man. If you're still here, SCYX. Look, we've already had a line across this one from last week. $3 is the area to watch for support. You have room here. That could take you towards 320. And then I would say 334, 335, 340. Okay. And that would come from back here. Previous support right here at 333. Previous support right here at 333. It turned resistance. We faded. Then we had the massive gap down. Nathan, there's no special link. You know what? I got you. Hold on. I'm gonna put the link in chat here for you, bro. Yo, for Benny, man, I'm glad you were still there. Yeah, totally my pleasure, bud. Yeah, guys, my chat was frozen, and I was feeling like, damn, nobody wants to talk to me today. And it was just that my chat was frozen, nothing was coming through. Here you go, brother. You can click that and then click buy course, and you'll be good to go. So I'll show you once again here. This is the link I just sent you. Just scroll here, click buy course. If you want the futures course included in the package, just check out with the $5.99. Do not add any coupon codes because then I won't be able to get you that futures course. All right, you'll get everything plus the 200 video library plus the futures course. And there you go. You can check out through there. You can use PayPal, credit card, whatever you want. What time is it, guys? I can't miss my appointment. Oof, I gotta run. Damn it, man. I really want to trade today. Looks really good. Dan, I know you're traveling this week. I'm not sure if you're watching. Cuban coffee's been served, my man. The King, where you been? I know you must be out there lurking. I hope you had a good weekend, brother. I hope everybody had a good weekend. Yes, correct, Nathan. That's correct. Bear with me. If you check out today, idea is check out before Jonah updates that, because once Jonah updates that number, it's going to be over $700. It'll be done either today or Wednesday. I don't know when he's going to update it. It could be tonight. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. Bear with me if you have any technical issues after you've signed up. I will do the best I can to help you with that. But my tech guy, which is Jonah, my business partner, he's on the road driving 6 hours today. Then he'll stop later this evening, and then tomorrow he'll drive another 6 hours. The guy, how am I even supposed to see what's happening? I'm dealing with customer service, man. It's not easy. So yeah, my guy is gonna owe me a steak dinner after this. So just bear with me, guys. Any issues, but it's a great time to take advantage of that $5.99 because you're gonna get everything. All right, what time is it? Damn it, guys! I gotta run, man. I'm so sorry to do this. God, I hate this today. I gotta run. I gotta hit that dentist appointment. I emailed you out the levels on the ES that I'm watching. I emailed you out everything I'm watching. Tesla is one that I was really wanting to possibly swing trade if we can be above 200. I would definitely keep an eye on that because we did violate it here. We get all the way down to 199. Not a big deal. It's still the 200 level. But this is one that I would watch for this kind of move only if the market can hold up and stay above this 407 zone. All right, if the market gets down here to 407, then Tesla might get a little bit choppier, but I would definitely keep an eye on those. And then on the ES right now, we've tested 4142 zone, which is a bit of a, let's turn this into an hourly chart and I'll take you to it real quick. On the ES, here is that resistance zone right up here at 4140 area. You tapped, pulled back. Now we're back up in its face. We could just get choppy underneath. If we stay underneath that level, I think we stay choppy. Watch for support around 4137, 41. That's so tight. I wouldn't even. Support is really down here at 4122, 4120 area. That's the level off the daily chart and off the watch list. I would definitely keep an eye on that level. Let's draw a quick line. I'd watch that level and this level. This is a channel that I think we might trade in here. So I'd watch for pullbacks off of 4140 if that holds resistance. All right, guys, I got to run. I cannot be late to this new dentist appointment. I will see you all tomorrow back at regular time. I've been streaming since like 9:05 this morning. We did the watch list together. I hope that was helpful. It's in your email. Any questions, reach out. Like I said, Jonah's out the next couple of days, so just bear with me. I'm going to do everything I can to be the trader and the tech guy and the customer service guy. Many hats are going to be worn this week. Guys, see you all. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow, 9:15 a.m.